And reaction is now pouring in tonight from across the state after the governor repealed her proposed state budget for the next 2 years.
Our Wayne Haverly talked with Governor Brown during today's news conference. And Wayne, the pandemic combined with the wildfires have really devastated Oregon's budget.
Oh, yeah. 2020 has really done a number on the state's revenues. And it means that the governor had some pretty tough choices to make when she put together this 2 year budget. She says her first priority is dealing with the pandemic.
You might call it a bare bones budget proposal, which was expected after a year of pandemic shutdowns, protests, and devastating wildfires.
The pandemic has led to a state budget shortfall that will require not only scrapping plans for long-needed investments, but also making small and difficult cuts in services and programs that affect Oregonians' lives.
Governor Brown says the top budget priority is the pandemic response and includes money to modernize Oregon's public health care system and protect seniors living in assisted living and nursing homes. The CEO of the Oregon Association of Hospitals and Health Systems says it is not nearly enough, saying in a statement, the governor has chosen to propose direct cuts to hospitals in the midst of the biggest public health crisis in a century. Governor Brown says fighting COVID-19 will cost the state at least another $685 million over the next year and maintains the state just can't do it alone.
Honestly, it is time for Washington, D.C. to get its act together. Unlike the federal government, state governments have to balance our budget. We have to meet the needs of the pandemic. Our revenues are down as a result of the recession caused by the pandemic.
The governor's plan does increase funding for housing and homelessness related to the pandemic. There's investments in education, rural broadband, along with programs focused on improving racial inequities. That said, the governor stressed the pain of 2020 is definitely reflected in the budget.
It's a budget built on sacrifice and hard choices.
And a key priority of the governor's budget is to secure additional coronavirus relief from the federal government. And all of that relief is going to expire at the end of this year. So we have a lot more information on this budget, more detailed information. If you're interested, just go to KOIN.com for more. Back to you.
All right, Wayne Haverly live for us tonight. Thanks, Wayne. And